Imagine yourself in this 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.